legendary Ford Mustang GT may be heading into its biggest transformation in decades. Rumors, leaked engineering chatter, insider speculation, and early supplier reports are all pointing toward a radical evolution of Ford's famous 5.0-liter V8. But the biggest question enthusiasts are asking is simple. Is the iconic Coyote engine finally coming to an end? For years, the Coyote V8 has represented everything Mustang fans love. High revs, aggressive sound, endless aftermarket support, and pure American muscle. Since its debut in 2011, the engine has survived stricter emissions laws, fuel economy regulations, and the rise of electric performance cars. Yet now, with the automotive world rapidly changing, Ford appears ready to introduce something entirely new for the 2027 Mustang GT. And if the leaks are accurate, this next-generation 5.0 engine could completely redefine what a modern V8 muscle car looks like. The legacy of the Coyote V8. Before talking about the future, it's important to understand why the Coyote matters so much. When Ford introduced the dual overhead cam 5.0 Coyote V8 in 2011, it changed the muscle car game overnight. At the time, many critics believed naturally aspirated V8 engines were nearing extinction. Instead, Ford shocked everyone by delivering a high-revving, technologically advanced V8 that combined old-school muscle with modern engineering. The original Coyote produced 412 horsepower, but over the years Ford continuously refined the platform. Direct injection, improved airflow, variable valve timing, stronger internals, and upgraded intake systems pushed output dramatically higher. Today's Mustang GT and Dark Horse versions easily exceed 480 horsepower while maintaining surprising drivability and reliability. Experts often praise the Coyote for several reasons. Exceptional durability under heavy load, high RPM capability compared to traditional pushrod V8s, massive aftermarket tuning potential, strong emissions compliance despite large displacement, excellent balance between daily comfort and track performance. For many enthusiasts, the Coyote became more than an engine. It became the identity of the modern Mustang. That's exactly why the latest 2027 rumors are causing such a stir. Why Ford may replace the Coyote. Replacing a legendary engine is never easy. Ford understands the emotional attachment buyers have to the Coyote platform. However, several major industry trends are forcing automakers to rethink traditional performance engines. 1. Emissions regulations are getting brutal. Global emission standards are tightening every year. Europe is becoming increasingly hostile toward large displacement gasoline engines, and even North America is moving towards stricter carbon output targets. A naturally aspirated V8, no matter how advanced, faces growing challenges meeting future efficiency rules. Industry analysts believe Ford needs a cleaner, smarter V8 architecture capable of surviving into the 2030s. 2. Competitors are evolving fast. The muscle car war has changed dramatically. Chevrolet Corvette Z06 introduced exotic flat-plane crank engineering. Dodge Charger Daytona shifted toward electrification. Even luxury performance brands are embracing hybrid powertrains. Ford likely recognizes that the next Mustang GT cannot simply be another Coyote update. It needs a revolutionary step forward. 3. The Mustang must stay relevant. The Ford Mustang remains one of the few surviving traditional muscle cars. To stay competitive globally, Ford must balance heritage with innovation. That means the 2027 Mustang GT may need more power, better efficiency, faster acceleration, lower emissions, hybrid compatibility, advanced electronic integration. The current Coyote architecture may simply be reaching its limit. What the leaks are saying. According to multiple automotive insiders and speculative reports circulating through enthusiast communities, Ford engineers are allegedly testing a heavily revised 5.0-liter platform internally. Some rumors claim the engine may still technically be called a Coyote, while others suggest an entirely new engine family is coming. Potential leaked features include hybrid-assisted V8 technology, electrically assisted torque delivery, new lightweight aluminum block design, revised combustion chamber geometry, higher compression ratios, advanced thermal management systems, dual fuel injection upgrades, improved active exhaust technology. Perhaps most interestingly, some insiders believe Ford may introduce partial electrification without sacrificing the emotional character of the Mustang GT. That could mean instant low-end torque combined with traditional V8 sound and high RPM excitement. If true, Ford may be attempting to create the perfect bridge between old-school muscle and next-generation performance. Could the new engine be hybrid? One of the biggest rumors surrounding the 2027 Mustang GT involves electrification. Now, before enthusiasts panic, this likely does not mean a fully electric Mustang GT replacing the V8 overnight. Instead, experts believe Ford could use hybrid assistance strategically. Why hybrid makes sense? Hybrid systems offer several major benefits: instant torque, improved fuel economy, reduced emissions, better launch performance, enhanced throttle response. Performance cars across the world are already using this formula successfully. Even supercars now rely heavily on hybrid technology. Ford may simply be adapting those ideas to American muscle. The goal may be more performance, not less. A hybrid Mustang GT could actually become faster than ever before. Imagine 550 to 650 combined horsepower, massive low-end torque, sub 3.5 seconds 0 to 60 times, improved track cooling, better corner exit acceleration. That would allow Ford to keep the V8 alive while satisfying future regulations. And for many experts, that's the only realistic path forward. Will the sound change? This may be the single most emotional topic for Mustang fans. The Coyote's sound is iconic. Its deep growl, aggressive bark, and high RPM scream define the modern Mustang experience. If Ford changes the engine architecture significantly, the sound could evolve too. Some insiders speculate Ford is experimenting with active exhaust tuning, variable exhaust pathways, electronically enhanced acoustics, different firing orders, revised intake resonance systems. However, experts strongly believe Ford understands how critical exhaust character is to Mustang buyers. A quiet Mustang GT would likely be a disaster among enthusiasts. That's why many analysts expect Ford to preserve the emotional V8 soundtrack, even if hybrid assistance becomes part of the formula. In fact, some engineers believe electrification could actually enhance performance acoustics by allowing the gasoline engine to operate more aggressively during spirited driving. Could horsepower reach 600? The horsepower race is far from over. Today's Mustang GT already delivers impressive output, but the next-generation version could enter entirely new territory. Industry speculation suggests the 2027 Mustang GT may target 520-plus horsepower in base GT trim, 600-plus horsepower in performance models, potential all-wheel drive variants. Hybrid torque boosts that would place the Mustang directly against high-end European performance cars. Experts believe Ford wants the Mustang to compete globally, not just against traditional American rivals, and that means serious power numbers. The future of naturally aspirated V8s. One major concern remains: will naturally aspirated V8s survive at all? Automotive experts are divided. Some believe the 2027 Mustang GT may represent the final era of traditional gasoline-powered muscle cars. Others argue synthetic fuels and hybrid technologies could extend V8 life far longer than expected. Several performance engineers believe emotional engagement still matters enormously to buyers. Electric vehicles may dominate efficiency metrics, but many drivers continue to crave engine sound, mechanical vibration, manual shifting, high RPM excitement, emotional driving character. Ford likely understands this better than most manufacturers. That's why many analysts think the company will fight aggressively to preserve the Mustang's V8 heritage for as long as possible. What enthusiasts are saying: online forums and Mustang communities have exploded with reactions to the leaks. Some fans are excited by the possibility of a revolutionary new V8. Others fear Ford may dilute the Mustang's identity with electrification. Common enthusiast reactions include excitement over higher power, concern about weight increases, curiosity about hybrid reliability, fear of losing manual transmissions, hope for improved handling, skepticism about future pricing. Interestingly, younger buyers appear more open to hybrid performance technology than traditional muscle car purists. That generational divide could shape how Ford markets the 2027 Mustang GT. Could the manual transmission survive? Another massive question surrounds the manual transmission. Today's Mustang GT remains one of the few performance cars still offering a true manual gearbox. Enthusiasts love the engagement and authenticity it provides. However, hybrid systems complicate transmission engineering significantly. Experts believe Ford may pursue one of three paths. 1. Keep the manual alive. This would thrill enthusiasts and maintain Mustang heritage. 2. Offer both manual and hybrid automatic. A dual strategy approach could satisfy both traditional buyers and performance-focused customers. 3. Transition fully to automatic performance. This would maximize acceleration and efficiency, but risk alienating core fans. Many insiders believe Ford will attempt to preserve the manual option, at least for special trims or enthusiast-focused variants. Design changes may match the new engine. The engine may not be the only major transformation coming in 2027. Rumors suggest Ford could significantly revise the Mustang styling to reflect the next-generation powertrain. Potential changes include sharper aerodynamic bodywork, larger cooling openings, redesigned hood extraction systems, lightweight materials, more aggressive lighting signatures, improved underbody airflow. Aerodynamics are becoming increasingly important for both performance and efficiency. Ford may blend classic Mustang styling cues with futuristic design elements to signal the beginning of a new era. What about the Shelby models? If the standard Mustang GT receives a revolutionary new engine, the future Shelby lineup could become absolutely insane. Experts speculate future Shelby variants may feature electrified supercharged V8 systems, AWD performance layouts, 700+ horsepower, advanced torque vectoring, carbon fiber intensive construction. Ford Performance has shown increasing interest in blending racing technology with road cars. A hybrid Shelby GT500 could potentially rival exotic European supercars while maintaining unmistakable American muscle DNA. Reliability concerns. Whenever a manufacturer introduces a radically new engine architecture, reliability concerns naturally emerge. The Coyote earned its reputation through years of proven durability. Replacing it means Ford faces enormous pressure to deliver dependable engineering. Potential concerns include hybrid battery longevity, thermal management complexity, increased electronic systems, repair costs, weight distribution, long-term maintenance expenses. However, Ford has accumulated significant hybrid experience across other vehicle segments. Experts believe the company understands that Mustang buyers demand both performance and durability. A fragile high-tech Mustang would seriously damage the brand's reputation. Why this could be the most important Mustang ever? The 2027 Mustang GT may ultimately represent a turning point for the entire muscle car industry. Ford faces an impossible balancing act: preserve heritage, meet regulations, deliver modern performance, satisfy enthusiasts, attract younger buyers, compete with EVs. Very few vehicles carry the emotional weight of the Mustang. That's why every engineering decision matters. If Ford succeeds, the 2027 Mustang GT could become the blueprint for how performance cars survive the electrified future. If Ford fails, enthusiasts may see it as the moment traditional muscle cars truly began disappearing. Final thoughts. Ford Mustang GT is shaping up to be one of the most controversial and exciting performance cars in years. The rumored all-new 5.0L engine may not completely abandon the spirit of the Coyote, but it almost certainly signals a dramatic evolution. Whether through hybrid technology, advanced combustion systems, or revolutionary performance engineering, Ford appears determined to push the Mustang into a new era rather than letting it fade away. And honestly, that may be exactly what the Mustang needs. The automotive world is changing rapidly. Regulations are tightening, electrification is accelerating, and traditional V8 performance cars face growing pressure from every direction. Yet despite all that, Ford still seems committed to keeping the Mustang exciting, emotional, loud, and powerful. For enthusiasts, the next few years could define the future of American muscle forever. Will the Coyote survive in evolved form? Will hybrid power make the Mustang faster than ever? Or are we witnessing the beginning of the final chapter for traditional V8 performance? Right now, Ford isn't revealing everything. But one thing is certain: the 2027 Mustang GT is already generating enough hype to shake the entire muscle car world.